Hey freelancers, looking to make some extra cash using just your phone? You're in luck. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 apps that can help you make money directly into your PayPal account. Let's dive right in. First up, we have Swagbucks is a popular rewards app where you can earn points called SB for doing simple tasks like watching videos, taking surveys, and shopping online. Once you've accumulated enough SB, you can redeem them for PayPal cash or gift cards. It's super easy and a great way to make money in your free time. Next, let's talk about, if you enjoy sharing your opinion, this app is for you. Survey Junkie pays you to complete surveys on various topics. Each survey has a different payout, and the more you participate, the more you earn. Plus, you can cash out your earnings directly to your PayPal account once you hit the minimum threshold. It's that simple. Moving on to Fiverr is a freelancing platform where you can offer your skills and services starting at $5. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or even a voiceover artist, there's a demand for your talent. Create a profile, list your services, and start getting paid for doing what you love. The money you earn can be easily transferred to your PayPal account. Fourth on the list is, this app lets you sell your photos and videos to brands and individuals. If you have a knack for photography, simply upload your content to the Photo Marketplace. When someone buys your photo or video, you earn money. It's a great way to monetize your creative skills. Finally, let's talk about, similar to Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars pays you to complete various tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, and even playing games. You can also earn cash back for shopping online. Once you reach the minimum payout, you can transfer your earnings to your PayPal account. It's a fun and straightforward way to earn some extra cash. So there you have it, the top 5 apps to make money on your phone. Whether you have a few minutes to spare or want to turn your skills into a side hustle, these apps can help you boost your income. Give them a try and start earning today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money and boosting productivity. Thanks for watching and happy earning.